Earth. A very special and rare place to live. The only planet in the universe we currently know to harbor and support life. A statistically impossible to exist world, we have the immense privilege of calling our home. From towering mountains and majestic coastlines to lush forests with gushing waterfalls and dry, hot deserts with cascading sand dunes. The natural wonders of our planet are a remarkable mystery to us till date. So come, prepare to join us in this epic adventure of a lifetime. An adventure that embarks to the ends of our planet as we visit the most awe-inspiring natural wonders known to mankind. Welcome to yet another Travpedia exclusive. This natural wonders fairy tale begins in Reynisfjara Beach, Iceland. A breathtaking coastline stretch that will captivate even the most discerning traveler. The rugged beauty of Reynisfjara Beach is unparalleled, and visitors will be awestruck by the dramatic cliffs, deep blue sea, and black sand beaches that make up this stunning landscape. One of the most unique features is the basalt sea stacks that rise up from the ocean. These formations were created by volcanic activity and have been shaped over time by the relentless crashing of waves against the shore. In addition to the sea stacks, Reynisfjara Beach is also home to a number of fascinating rock formations, including caves and arches. One of the most famous is Halsanefshellir, a large cave accessible from the beach. The intricate patterns and shapes formed by the basalt columns can be admired inside. Witness Mother Nature at her most glorious. Victoria Falls, situated in southern Africa, is an awe-inspiring and mesmerizing natural wonder that captivates with its breathtaking beauty. Located on the Zambezi River at the border between Zambia and the country of Zimbabwe, Victoria Falls is easily accessible via air or road, and the wonder of the falls can be experienced here from various vantage points. Victoria Falls, also known as Mosi Oa Tunya, has a width of 1,708 meters and a height of 108 meters. It is considered to be the largest waterfall in the world in terms of the combined width and height of the falls. The falls were formed over millions of years through the erosion of the Zambezi River, which created a deep gorge that is home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. Next up is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Welcome to the captivating city that is renowned for its stunning scenery. The history of Rio de Janeiro is rich and fascinating, with the city serving as the capital of Brazil from 1763 until 1960. The city has played an important role in Brazilian culture and politics and has been shaped by a diverse range of influences, including indigenous tribes, Portuguese colonizers, African slaves, and European immigrants. Rio de Janeiro is also known for its iconic landmarks. The Christ the Redeemer statue symbolizes Rio de Janeiro and attracts millions of tourists annually. It is situated on top of Corcovado Mountain and offers breathtaking views of the city. Witness the power of Earth's most terrain-altering force. Carving into this list of natural wonder is the Grand Canyon. Located in the southwestern United States, it is a breathtaking natural wonder that defines red rock beauty. Spanning over 277 miles and reaching depths of over a mile, the Grand Canyon is easily accessible via air or road and offers a range of experiences for visitors to enjoy. The picturesque beauty of the Grand Canyon is simply awe-inspiring, with its towering rock formations, steep cliffs, and vibrant hues of red and orange. It was formed over millions of years through the natural erosion of the Colorado River, which carved out the stunning landscapes that are visible today. The park's unique ecosystem is primarily defined by its altitude, which varies from 2,000 to over 8,000 feet. As a result, the vegetation varies from desert shrubs to pine and fir forests. Today, the canyon is explored by many rafters and adventure enthusiasts. Enjoying this video? Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon and turn on all notifications so you never miss any of our brilliant content. Earth is such a spellbinding place. The aurora borealis, also known as the Northern Lights, are a natural phenomenon like none other that illuminate the night sky in a stunning display of colors and light. This breathtaking display can be seen in various parts of the world, including Iceland, where it is a popular attraction. The intensity and frequency of the aurora are affected by the sun's activity, with more intense and frequent auroras occurring during periods of high solar activity. The best time to witness the aurora borealis in Iceland is during the winter months when the nights are long and dark. The lights are also a popular subject for photographers who capture the breathtaking beauty of the northern lights in their pictures. Witnessing these celestial lights in Iceland is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that should not be missed. Here we have the Great Barrier Reef. a natural wonder of the world with its stunning beauty and unparalleled biodiversity attracting visitors from all corners of the globe. Located off the coast of Australia, this vast coral ecosystem spans over 2,300 kilometers and is accessible via boat, helicopter, or seaplane. The reef was formed over millions of years, with the system being built up by tiny marine organisms called polyps. The reef is home to over 600 different species of hard and soft corals, as well as thousands of species of fish, turtles, sharks, and other marine life. Today, the reef is a symbol of Australia's natural heritage and is protected by various conservation initiatives to ensure its preservation for future generations. Our journey takes us to the top of the world. Mount Everest is a majestic mountain located on the border of Nepal and China, towering over the surrounding landscape with its grandeur and beauty. Accessible via trekking routes from both sides, this mountain presents a challenge to even the most experienced climbers and adventurers. The area surrounding Mount Everest is known for its stunning natural beauty, with snow-capped peaks, deep valleys, and rolling hills that create a breathtaking landscape. Formed over millions of years, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, rising to a height of over 8,848 meters. The mountain was formed as a result of the collision between the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates, which caused the land to uplift and develop the Himalayan range. This is what natural wonders on our planet are made of. By the way, have you checked out the free Travpedia VIP link in the description of this video? It is your gateway to every travel and tour deal anywhere in the world. You're already a Travpedia VIP. Let's go. Witness the Maldives, an archipelagic nation located in the Indian Ocean, composed of 26 atolls consisting of more than 1,000 coral islands, each boasting an array of picturesque islands with crystal-clear waters, powdery white sand beaches, and abundant marine life. This paradise was formed through the process of plate tectonics, with volcanic eruptions contributing to the formation of the islands. The archipelago was first inhabited by Buddhist seafarers from India and Sri Lanka around 2,500 years ago. What makes the Maldives a natural wonder of the world is its stunning natural beauty, both above and below the water. Despite being a small country, however, the Maldives is a global leader in environmental conservation with a strong focus on protecting its coral reefs and marine life. It is truly a place that should be on any world adventurer's bucket list. towering in as our next natural wonder. The Cliffs of Moher is an awe-inspiring natural wonder located on the western coast of Ireland. The cliffs offer a stunning panoramic view of the sea, the barren landscape, and the Aran Islands. The Cliffs of Moher formed over 320 million years ago through a complex geological process, including erosion by the sea and glaciation during the last ice age. Today, the Cliffs of Moher are recognized as a UNESCO Global Geopark, showcasing this iconic Irish landmark's natural beauty and significance. These wondrous cliffs are a must-see destination for anyone traveling to Ireland. Niagara Falls, here we come. This is a breathtaking natural wonder located on the Niagara River, straddling the international border between Canada and the United States. The mist and the power of the falls can be experienced as people move close to them. Over the years, the falls have attracted countless visitors and have even been the site of several stunts and daredevil feats. The falls consist of 3 separate waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. Each offering their own unique beauty. The falls are truly a sight to behold and witness the sheer power and might of our planet's water. And that leads us to Zhangjiajie, which is a place of unparalleled natural beauty located in the Hunan province of China. It boasts towering mountains, deep canyons, and pristine forests. The most famous attraction in Zhangjiajie is the Wulingyuan Scenic area, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and is home to the famous Avatar Hallelujah Mountain, which inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. The unique landscape of Zhangjiajie formed millions of years ago through a combination of tectonic plate activity and erosion. Over time, wind and water work together to create the incredible peaks and valleys one can see today. The area is home to the stunning Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, which is filled with towering quartzite sandstone pillars, deep valleys, and lush greenery. The pillars are often shrouded in mist, creating an ethereal and mystical atmosphere. Zhangjiajie is a unique and awe-inspiring destination that offers a combination of natural beauty, thrilling adventures, and cultural experiences. It is a must-see. This journey continues to a place of beauty on an incomprehensible scale. Nestled in the rugged Canadian Rockies, Banff National Park is an awe-inspiring destination of breathtaking beauty. The park is located in the province of Alberta and covers over 6,600 square kilometers of pristine wilderness. Banff National Park is home to some of the most stunning landscapes in the world, including towering mountains, crystal-clear lakes, and vast glaciers. The area was originally inhabited by indigenous peoples who have lived there for thousands of years. Today, the park is a testament to the enduring beauty of the natural world and a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's precious resources. With its majestic landscapes, abundant wildlife, and rich history, it is a place of unparalleled beauty and wonder. The Canadian Rockies do not disappoint. Absolutely stunning. Ha Long Bay is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in northern Vietnam, known for its stunning karst limestone formations and crystal-clear waters. It consists of over 1,600 limestone islands and islets that rise dramatically from the sea, creating a breathtaking panorama that has been called a natural wonder of the world. It is known for its stunning limestone formations rising from emerald waters and creating a picturesque landscape that is a true testament to the beauty of nature. Ha Long Bay was formed over millions of years through a process of erosion and tectonic movement, resulting in the unique landscape seen today. Today, Ha Long Bay is a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year who come to marvel at its stunning views. Despite its popularity, the bay remains a place of outstanding natural beauty and tranquility, a testament to the power and resilience of nature. And that brings us to the Giant's Causeway, located in Northern Ireland. An extraordinary geological wonder that attracts an incredible number of visitors yearly with its striking rock formations. The hexagonal basalt columns that make up the causeway are a unique and striking sight, with each column seeming to somehow fit perfectly into the one beside it. The pillars are a stunning example of the power of nature. In fact, it was formed about 50 to 60 million years ago during a period of intense volcanic activity. As molten lava cooled and contracted, it formed distinctive hexagonal columns that make up the site today. One of the exciting things about the Giant's Causeway is the legend that surrounds it. According to Irish folklore, the columns were created by the giant Finn McCool, who built the causeway as a bridge to reach his rival giant on the Scottish island of Staffa. Welcome to the Amazon River, which is home to what seems like an infinite amount of plants and wildlife, with countless additional species yet to be discovered. This river basin has the most extensive collection of freshwater fish species in the world, with over 3,000 different types of fish present. The river is located in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, covering almost the entire width of South America, flowing through Brazil, Colombia, and Peru, among others. The Amazon River formed millions of years ago, and its history is deeply embedded in the culture of the indigenous people who inhabit the surrounding rainforest. One of the most popular ways to experience the Amazon is by taking a river cruise to immerse themselves in the stunning natural beauty of the river and its surrounding rainforest. Our planet's icebergs are one of the fascinating and intriguing natural wonders of them all. What better place to see these colossal ice giants than Greenland, the world's largest island? It is home to some of the most captivating ice formations on the planet. The icebergs that dot the coastline are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Their sheer size and iridescent beauty are a testament to the incredible power of nature. Icebergs are formed by the slow and steady accumulation of snow and ice, which eventually become compressed into a solid mass. Over time, the sheer weight of the ice causes it to break off from the parent glacier, and the resulting iceberg begins its journey into the ocean. As these magnificent ice formations drift along the Greenland coast, they create a mesmerizing display of light and shadow, their crystalline surfaces reflecting the colors of the surrounding landscape. While they remain a sight to behold, the future of Greenland's icebergs is uncertain, making it all the more important to appreciate their stunning beauty while one still can. Behold in awe and possibly even confusion. The Grand Prismatic Spring in Yellowstone National Park, USA, is a true marvel of nature, featuring an array of vibrant colors that are truly breathtaking. Located in the Midway Geyser Basin, this hot spring is renowned for its stunning beauty and is one of the most visited attractions in Yellowstone National Park. The Grand Prismatic Spring is formed by hot water rising from deep within the earth, which then mixes with cooler water from the surface, creating a unique and diverse ecosystem. The colors of the hot spring are due to the presence of heat-loving microorganisms, which are responsible for the vivid hues of orange, red, and blue-green. Despite its remote location in Yellowstone National Park, the spring is a popular destination for tourists, with millions of visitors coming each year to experience its stunning beauty and understand why this is very easily a natural wonder. it's time to fall in love with the sheer beauty of Angel Falls in Venezuela, a breathtaking natural wonder located deep in the Canaima National Park. Its stunning cascades of water plummet down a massive cliff surrounded by lush tropical rainforest. The falls are considered the highest waterfall on Earth. To reach Angel Falls, a challenging trek through the jungle, river crossing and dense vegetation navigation all lie on the way. The adventure is well worth it, however, as the view of the falls from below is awe-inspiring. The water drops from the top of Ollantaypuy, a large flat-topped mountain in the park, and then cascades down into the jungle below, creating a misty spectacle that can be seen for miles. Time to turn the heat up a bit. Enter the Sahara Desert. The largest hot desert in the world is a stunning natural wonder that spans 10 countries in North Africa, covering an area of approximately 3.6 million square miles. The Sahara is a breathtaking landscape of sand dunes, rock formations, and rugged terrain. It is a region of stark beauty, where the harshness of the desert is juxtaposed with the sublime majesty of its vast and unending vistas. The Sahara has been shaped over millions of years by a variety of geological forces, including wind erosion and the shifting of tectonic plates. It is believed that the desert was once a lush and fertile region, home to many species of flora and fauna, including large predators such as lions and hyenas. The Sahara Desert is not only the largest hot desert in the world, but also one of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. It is a sight made for the eyes and soul. Embark on an epic journey to Salar de Uyuni, a mesmerizing natural wonder in Bolivia, South America. This stunning salt flat covers an area of over 10,000 square kilometers, making it the largest in the world. Accessible from the town of Uyuni, the Salar de Uyuni is a popular tourist destination for those seeking an otherworldly experience. Formed from the evaporation of prehistoric lakes, the Salar de Uyuni is a natural marvel created over thousands of years. This vast expanse of salt is adorned with unique patterns and formations resulting from the crystallization process. The endless white horizon creates an illusion of infinity and is a photographer's paradise. That brings us to Jeju Island, located off the coast of South Korea. A genuinely mesmerizing destination often referred to as the Hawaii of Korea. It is a volcanic island located off the southern coast of the Korean peninsula. The island is renowned for its picturesque landscapes, including dramatic cliffs, serene beaches, and lush forests. Jeju Island was formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago, resulting in a unique landscape rich in natural beauty. The island is home to Hallasan, South Korea's highest mountain and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Nestled amidst the grandeur of the Sierra Nevada mountains, Yosemite National Park is a breathtaking natural wonder. The splendor of this world-renowned national park is second to none, with its striking valleys, towering granite cliffs, and thundering waterfalls captivating all who lay their eyes upon it. Yosemite is situated in California, USA, and covers an area of almost 750,000 jaw-dropping acres. The striking beauty of Yosemite National Park results from its unique geology. The park was formed by a combination of glacial and volcanic activity, which sculpted the landscape into the awe-inspiring wonder it is today. With continued efforts to balance conservation and tourism, Yosemite National Park will remain a cherished destination for generations to come, offering visitors a chance to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of the natural world. Journey to Iceland, one of the most breathtaking places on our planet. In this natural paradise, you will find Skaftafell Ice Cave, also known as Crystal Ice Cave, which is located in the southern region of Iceland, near the Vatnajökull Glacier. The ice cave is a natural wonder that has captivated the imaginations of geologists, photographers, and adventure seekers alike. The cave is renowned for its incredible blue coloration and stunning crystal formations. The history of these ice caves is closely tied to the Vatnajökull Glacier, which is one of the largest glaciers in Europe. The cave was formed by the convergence of two glacier tongues, which created a unique and stable cave structure. Over time, meltwater from the glacier eroded the walls of the cave, creating the intricate crystal formations that visitors can see today. This heaven in ice is a natural wonder that has captivated visitors for years. Its stunning crystal formations and beautiful blue coloration are a testament to the incredible power of nature. The ends of our planet beckon you on a voyage to a place where only few have gone. Antarctica, the southernmost continent on Earth, is a land of unparalleled natural beauty and stark contrasts. It is a natural wonder on its own. The continent is located at the South Pole, surrounded by the most untamed and unforgiving oceans on this planet, and is the 5th largest continent on Earth. It was formed millions of years ago through geological processes, including volcanic activity, plate tectonics, and the gradual accumulation of ice and snow. The continent was first sighted by a Russian expedition in 1820 and later explored by several other expeditions. Antarctica was officially recognized as a continent in 1840, and since then has remained one of the most remote and inhospitable places on Earth. This continent is a place of great scientific interest, with research teams from around the world studying its unique environment and the impact of climate change on the region. As a result of this scientific interest, a number of research stations have been established throughout Antarctica, providing vital infrastructure for research and conservation efforts. In the heart of Turkey lies Pamukkale, which means cotton castle in Turkish, and is a geological wonder that boasts stunning terraced travertines. These terraced pools of white calcite are formed from the mineral-rich thermal waters that have cascaded down the hillside over thousands of years. The mineral deposits create a dazzling and surreal landscape that is a true natural marvel. Despite being a popular tourist destination, the site is well preserved, and visitors are able to experience the natural beauty of the travertines in a serene and peaceful setting. The thermal waters that flow through the area are heated by volcanic activity deep beneath the Earth's surface. As the water makes its way to the surface, it picks up minerals such as calcium carbonate and creates stunning travertines. Pamukkale is a natural wonder that is truly breathtaking in its beauty. Do not miss it. Love this video? Make sure you subscribe to our channel and be sure to embark on your next voyage by watching the fully uncut documentary version of the video. Click on the thumbnail and strap in for an adventure of a lifetime.